Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to turn off notifications in the Messenger application on your iPhone. The method is very simple for this. You just need an iPhone. You do not even have to go into the Messenger application. Now go into the settings of your iPhone, and here you just need to go to the top, click on search, and in the search write Messenger, find it, open. Now you have an item. Notifications, click, and here we click allow notifications, and we turn off our notifications. That's how it all works. As soon as we turn off this checkbox, we turn off notifications in the Messenger application, or we can turn them on and turn off certain notifications so that they don't come on. Lock screen, banners, or so that they come without sound. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.